In today's video, I will be showing you how to create a survey form for your Google Sheets. So if you're planning on creating a form with Google Forms and have all the responses linked here in Google Sheets, here's how to do it. First, we're going to go to the menu bar and select Tools right here. If you click on that, we have at the top, Create a New Form. Once you click on that, it will open a new tab where you can create your survey. So whatever type of survey you want to create, this is where you're going to do it. So you can add as many questions as you want right here. I'm just going to put in an example. So if I'm going to be asking for a date, I can choose whatever type of answer they are going to choose from or that they can enter. If I click on this part right here, here you have it. Now, since I'm asking for a date, I'm just going to select it right here, and there you have it. So again, you can create as many questions as you want. When you're done, you can go ahead and publish this, like so. Manage the responders. So if you want anyone to have access to this, you can change the general access to anyone with a link. There you have it. Now we can copy the responder link. Click on Done. Let's copy the responder link, shorten the URL, copy, and save. So now that we've created our survey, we can now send this link to anyone that we want to have responses from. So I'm just going to set this an example. Let's open a new tab and paste in the link. And here we have it. Now we can answer this survey and we can put in the date today if that's what it's asking. Again, this is just an example. So I'm just going to put in the date today. There you go. And if we submit and go back to our spreadsheet, it will automatically record that response right here. So depending on how many questions you have, all the responses will appear right here. Also with the timestamp on what date they answered it and what time. There you have it. If we try and submit another response, here we go. Another date, let's say that was yesterday, submit, go back to your spreadsheet, and there you have it. So all the responses that you will be getting from those people will appear right here. And again, this is automatically linked to your Google form. And there you have it. That's how quick and easy it is. You can create a survey with your Google Forms and have all the responses directly linked here in your spreadsheet in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.